Instantly AI versus GoHighLevel, which is the best tool for cold email and automation. If you're looking to generate more leads and automate your outreach, you have probably heard of Instantly AI and GoHighLevel. Both platforms promise to help you grow your business, but they do it in totally different ways. For example, when it comes on to Instantly AI, it is built for cold email outreach, lead generation, while GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is an all-in-one CRM and automation suite that handles everything after you have captured a lead. So which one is best for you? I've left links in the description for both platforms, and I'll be breaking down their pros and cons, features, and also a head-to-head of the price. Now let's get started. What is Instantly AI? Instantly AI is an AI-powered cold email platform that helps you send personalized outreach campaigns at scale without ending up in spam. With Instantly AI, you can warm up your email accounts automatically, send thousands of personalized cold emails, manage multiple inboxes, track opens, clicks, and replies. Use AI for smart follow-ups and personalization, and also you'll be able to connect to verified lead data sources. Some other features that I also like about this platform is it is perfect for freelancers, agencies, and sales team that want to book more meetings through cold email. While on the contrary, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel, often called GHL, is an all-in-one marketing automation platform that helps you manage the entire customer journey, from leads to loyal clients. With GoHighLevel, you can build funnels, websites, and landing pages, automate emails, texts, and voicemails, manage contacts in a CRM pipeline, and also you'll be able to schedule appointments and follow up, launch membership programs or client portals, white label it for your own agency brand, and it's a full marketing machine that can replace multiple tools like ClickFunnels, Calendly, and MailChimp under one roof. Now let's talk about some key differences of both platforms. When it comes on to Instantly AI, it is extremely beginner friendly. You can start sending personalized campaigns within minutes. Just connect your Gmail or domain inbox, upload your lead list, write your message, and let Instantly handle rotation and warm up. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, it has a broader learning curve because it's built for full automation. You can't just plug and play. You'll need to learn how to set it up, workflows, funnels, and automations, the whole nine yard. But once it is set up, GoHighLevel can run your entire business on autopilot. It will be able to capture leads, send follow-ups, book appointments without manual effort. And if we were to compare them via lead generation versus lead conversion, here's where the real difference lies. Instantly AI helps you find and contact leads using email. It's your outreach tool. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, helps you nurture, follow up, and convert leads after they have shown interest. It's your conversion engine. If you're doing outbound B2B outreach, Instantly AI is ideal. If you're building inbound funnels, landing pages, or client onboarding systems, well, I would definitely recommend that you go with GoHighLevel, as it would be the smarter choice. And if we were to compare them via automation and AI features, both use AI but in different ways. For example, when it comes on to Instantly AI, it uses AI to improve your email deliverability, personalize messages, and manage smart follow-ups. While GoHighLevel, on the other hand, uses AI to automate follow-ups. For example, if someone fills out a form, GoHighLevel can instantly text them, send a confirmation email, and assign them to a pipeline. Instantly AI, on the other hand, helps you get replies, while GoHighLevel helps you close deals. And if we were to talk about CRM and client management, Instantly AI includes simple inbox management, which is great for tracking conversions and responses, but it doesn't offer advanced CRM features. GoHighLevel gives you contact plugin, full pipeline tracking, multi-channel follow-ups, for example, email, SMS, and voicemail, appointment scheduling, AI assistants, and chatbots. That's why many users combine both. Use Instantly AI to get leads and GoHighLevel to manage and convert them. Now let's break down their pricing. With Instantly AI, you can see that their monthly plan begins at $47 and it can go up to $197 depending on the amount of features you want and the size of your team. While with GoHighLevel, on the other hand, their monthly plan begins at $97 and it can go up to $497 depending on the size of your agency and the amount of features that you want. For example, if you want their white label feature, I would recommend that you go with the $497 plan. So Instantly AI is a cheaper route and it is perfect for email focused users, while GoHighLevel is a bit more pricey, but it can replace up to 6 to 8 tools and gives you full control over your customer life cycle. Now, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Instantly AI if you do cold email outreach or outbound B2B sales and you want an AI assisted personalization tool and you already have a CRM or use GoHighLevel alongside it. While on the contrary, I would recommend you choose GoHighLevel if you want to automate your funnels, emails, and follow up, and you need a CRM, website, and booking system in one. You're a coach, marketer, or agency owner, scaling clients. So in conclusion, Instantly AI helps you reach leads faster. GoHighLevel helps you convert them into customers automatically. You can even use both together, Instantly AI to generate new leads and GoHighLevel to automate nurturing, booking, and sales. If you're serious about scaling, then the combo is extremely powerful. I've added my GoHighLevel affiliate link below. You can try it for free and see how it automates your entire client work.